Do you want to know how you can change your password of your account in Tubi TV? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on which you can change your password in Tubi TV. Go to your account settings and in your profile you can scroll down and you can see change password. You can enter your current password and write down new and confirm password. So go to account settings and in the profile section scroll down and write down your current password. After writing down your current password, write down the new password which you want to set. After that, write down the confirm password and then you can hit the save button. Click the change password and there you go. You have successfully changed your Tubi TV account password. Let me show it to you once again how you can change your password. Go to your account settings. In the profile section, scroll down, write down your current password, new password and confirm password. First of all, go ahead and begin with the current password which you just wrote. Now write down the new password which you want to set and also write down the confirm password. After writing the password, you can click change password and there you go. You have successfully changed your Tubi TV password. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.